1998 Suzuki Carry, excellent condition, perfect, super clean, no rust at all. It's got utility light, four-wheel drive, top speed 65-67 miles an hour. This is excellent condition. Everything, seats clean, no four-wheel drive, differential lock, axle lock, 16,956 kilometers, approximately 10,000 miles. Heater, radio, everything works. Tires in great condition, everything's rims, everything's good. No rust at all. Perfect mini truck. Engine compartment. There is another side. Very good. So this truck will go fast, very low miles, 10,000 miles. It's just in great shape, perfect shape. So if anybody interested, give me a call, 937-510-1263. Have a good day.